Hello children, today we are going to know about active and passive voice. Voice. Voice is the quality of a verb which indicates whether the subject acts, subject is doing something or is being acted upon or something is done by the subject. Two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. Active voice, the voice used to indicate that the grammatical subject of the verb is performing the action or causing the happening denoted by the verb. Like the boy hit the ball. Here the boy is hitting the ball. So we are talking the work which is performed by the subject. Active voice is appropriate. Active voice adds clarity and places responsibility where it belongs. Active voice can make our writing more vivid, more clear. Passive voice. Passive voice is used to indicate that the grammatical subject of the verb is the recipient, not the source of the action denoted by the verb. Example, the ball was hit. So the ball was hit by the boy. So here it is denoting the action which is done by the boy. Passive voice is appropriate if the action is more important than the agent. If the action is more important than the agent, we use passive voice. If the agent is not known, to connect ideas in different clauses or sentences more clearly. Sentence structures. Construction of the active voice includes subject, doer, which is the doer, plus verb plus object, like cat eat fish. So here we are talking about the class cat. That's why we have used cat eat fish. Now construction of the passive voice, subject plus auxiliary verb, be plus main verb, past participle form, like fish is eaten by cat. Here fish is singular, so we are using is eaten by cat. Subject plus modal verb plus auxiliary verb be plus main verb past participle. Participle. Fish must be eaten by cat. Now we are going to study the changes in the models. Should take, should be taken, can take in active voice, in passive voice can be taken. Could take in active voice, in passive voice it becomes could be taken. May take in active voice, in passive voice may be taken. So we are using be in every with every models in passive voice. Might take, might be taken, must take, must be taken, ought to take, ought to be taken. Passive of imperative sentences like commands, let plus subject plus be plus not plus past participle. Active. Shut the door. Passive voice. Let the door be shut. When we are making any request, active, kindly help him. In passive voice, you are requested to help him. Form of passive voice verbs. The passive voice requires a double verb, linking verb, am, is, are, was, were, by, be, being, been. The main verb in the form of past participle. Often passive voice sentences will contain a preposition by, like I by me, we by us, you by you, he by him, she by her, it by it, they by them, sham by general rules according to tense. Simple present, inactive voice, take or takes. With singular we are using ses, with plural we are not using ses. So take takes, and when it is singular then we are using is taken, are taken. Then present continuous am taking, is taking, are taking, is being taken. To remove ing, because in passive voice we use second participle form. So third form of the verb is being taken. We are removing ing and in place of ing we are putting being. Is being taken, are being taken. In present perfect has taken, have taken, and in passive voice it becomes has been taken, have been taken. Simple past, second form in active voice took, was taken, were taken. In past continuous, was taking, were taking, was being taken, were being taken. In past perfect, had taken. In simple future, will take, will be taken, shall be taken. Simple future, I'm going to take a cake. Cake is going to be taken by me. She is going to take two cakes. Two cakes are going to be taken by her. They are going to take a cake. Cake is going to be taken by them. Future perfect, will have taken, will have been taken. Now, let's practice some examples. My uncle looks after me. I am looked after by my uncle. So the subject becomes object in passive voice and object becomes subject. Someone must have stolen the necklace. The necklace must have been stolen by you or by someone. Inform the police. Let the police be informed. The boys are running a race. A race is being run by the boys. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you, children.